This video is about my newest artwork titled Altar Cinta or Love Altar. The main medium is clay that will be fired into ceramics and combines with rice husks, fabric, wood, bamboo. In this series, I made 3 constellations which represent woman feminine organ. Altar Cinta symbolizes the safe vessel for the beginning life of new human being that will be nurtured with full of love and care until they are ready to be born to the world, and teach them to share only love and peace.